Why Hayward Construction is the best choice for your next remodeling project. Construction remodeling in Bay Area. Need help renovating your home? Hayward Contractors are here to provide you with the best advice and services for your remodeling needs. Hayward Contractors are usually very busy. If you're renovating your house, you want to make sure that you're able to get quotes from a few different Hayward Contractors before making your final decision. The process of Hayward Contractors usually goes something like this. First, they'll visit your house to assess the damage and give you a quote. Then, they'll start the process of repairing your house. This can be messy, so it's important to make sure that you're prepared for it. Hayward Contractors will also need to order materials from suppliers, which can take some time. Once the materials arrive, Hayward Contractors will begin the process of repairing your house. Finally, once the repairs are finished, Hayward Contractors will inspect your house to make sure that everything is up to their standards. When the renovation is complete, you will be left with a beautiful, new house or building that is sure to impress your friends and family. Stressful is an understatement when it comes to home renovations. There's the hassle of choosing the right contractor, dealing with construction noise and dust, and making sure the project stays on budget. Hayward Contractors can help take the stress out of your next renovation. We have a team of experienced professionals who will handle every aspect of the project, from demolition to final cleanup. We'll also work closely with you to create a custom plan that fits your budget and timeline. So sit back and relax, we'll take care of everything. And in the end, you'll have a beautiful new space that you can enjoy for years to come. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your next renovation. Looking for perfect and reliable Hayward Contractors? Construction remodeling in the Bay Area are known for being friendly and knowledgeable about the construction process. They'll be able to answer all of your questions and help you find the perfect solution for your home. Plus, they're honest and respectful of your property. And, if you're looking for some creative ideas, they have a lot of great ideas to share. So, if you're thinking about remodeling your home, be sure to check out the construction remodeling in the Bay Area. You won't be disappointed.